A PhD student at UNM is using his time away from campus to make life-saving devices. Devices the state desperately needs more of. News 13's Courtney Allen shows you.
Using tools around the house like a saw and screwdriver, Mustafa Peysoyhan is making something that could save lives.
So this is a very simple and cheap ventilator.
In 5 hours and under $60, he created a ventilator right here in his Albuquerque living room.
So here is the tube for the oxygen part.
He says people can pump the ambu bag for a manual ventilator or plug the machine in for it to work automatically with knobs to adjust things like speed and volume.
By moving this screw, for example, you can put it here. This is the minimum volume, this is the maximum volume.
This comes as the demand is high here in New Mexico, as the state is anticipating needing 1,629 ventilators when we hit our peak of COVID-19 cases, which is about 1,000 more than the state currently has. The governor this week announcing she's hoping for a shipment of 400 to arrive soon. The international student from Iran is studying optical science and engineering at UNM, posting videos to YouTube detailing step by step how one works and how it's made.
At first I thought that let's start to file a patent or something like this. But quickly after that we changed our mind. We said that let's make it completely free. Let's put all the information, everything online.
He says he isn't selling it or looking to make money, but hoping to give people the tools to make one themselves.
I just want to publish it for everyone, that everyone, if they want to make it, they can easily make it. If, maybe in some cases it's gonna save lives.
Courtney Allen, KRQE, News 13.
He says all the ventilator needs is an oxygen supply, and he hopes to test the device at UNM Hospital soon. A link to his website with all the information and videos can be found at alwaysonkRQE.com.